Good morning, Coffee Klatsch friends. It is Tuesday, November 12th. Thank you for joining me for Coffee Klatsch this morning. Hopefully everybody is enjoying the day. You've got your favorite beverage and you want to join me for a little fun this morning. So again, this is Sarah with Stinkincutecards.com, and I'm going to show you one of the cards that's part of my card stash DoorDash for November here. So I'm going to flip you around and get you started and show you what I've got. All right, friends, let's go. Close your eyes. We're going for a ride. All righty. So this morning, what we are going to work with is the Reindeer Fun. Super. Good morning, Wendy. Nice to have you along for the ride this morning. So yeah, we are going to work with Reindeer Fun. Super cute little stamp set. It is part of my Card Stash DoorDash delivery service for November. And remember, that's the program where you sign up by the 20th. I mail you a swag bag of products or, like consumables along with 6 cards, 2 of 3 different designs for you to stamp using this Reindeer Fun Bundle and various accessories. So this is one that's not part of the Card Stash DoorDash that's going to be coming to your door, but it is part of the PDF. So let's go ahead and walk through that and show you some of the features and benefits of this stamp set. All right. So today I'm going to run that through. I have to, this morning, I broke my tooth on Sunday. And so I have got hopefully, fingers crossed that it's just going to be a crown and not a root canal scheduled for a little bit later this morning. And it's like, I don't want to go. Is anybody else like dentist averse? I am not a fan. And it's usually not too bad, but man, I don't like going. I know it's weird, right? So, here's your poll. Do you hate dentists or, getting your blood drawn worse? I mean, I know I'm part of that whole phlebotomy group, but I think I don't like dentists even more. I don't know. Let me know. Which one do you hate worse? Or maybe I should say, which one do you like, more? I don't know. Anyways, so cute little stamp set. Reindeer Fun. It's got a great die that goes with it. A die set, the bundle. It is got some standalone products. Like remember last time we did these little reindeer head, and it also has some die cuts that you can cut out. So that's fun. This paper is adorable. It is absolutely darling. These images, I like. What is not to love about that? I mean, so stinking cute. Just adorable. And there's lots of them so that you can mix and match. You can make little different designs. It's very happy. I mean, that's super cute. It is just darling. Love it. So I am going to take this one, I think, and let's go ahead and quickly, I don't think I want Mama on there. Yeah, let's do this one. We're just going to take this. And I am going to go ahead and fussy cut that out. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you a little bit. Don't forget that tomorrow is going to be the start of a sale, November 13th through the 15th, 20% off of all bundles in the regular catalog, not the mini or online exclusives, but regular catalog only. 20% off all of the bundles, as well as 10%. I think it's 10%, and I've just lost my mind. I think it's 10% off all cardstock and inks from the regular catalog as well. So I'm hopefully when I get back from my excursion, my outing to the dentist, I'm going to get my newsletter out this afternoon. It's on my list. But anyways, so we're just going to fussy cut this sweet little guy. I mean, this was probably one of my favorite images. Okay, get those cut out. And again, we do have some of the DSP that can be cut with the dies, so that's super cute as well. But I am going to just put this little guy right in here. Oh, that's stinking cute. All right, so we are going to go ahead and I'm going to stamp some snowflakes right on here. All right. And again, I will post a link after I'm done here, after I'm back, to the Card Stash DoorDash. So in case you haven't seen that or had a chance to check that out, I will have that for you. All right, let's put a little bit more snow in here. All right, so then what we're gonna do is we are going to adhere the, we're gonna add this one to our card base, and I'm using the thick white cardstock. So again, stock up on that kind of stuff between the 13th and the 15th. All right, so that, and actually, whoops, I'm gonna put that right in the middle. Sorry, my bad. All right, super cute. So then what I'm going to do is I am going to adhere my, I die cut this out, and I did use George, so it's really a, you know, die cut it nice, but I still do have to poke a few things out. When I'm making cards, you know, in bulk, I'll probably cut, you know, several of these and then stack them together and poke these little hanging chads out all at once, right? So that I'm taking advantage of my time. Another thing that you can do is you can use a dryer sheet on the bottom, and that takes care of all that right away too. My only issue is sometimes that dryer sheet makes my folders kind of oily. So ideally, I would probably like to have just one that is used just for dryer sheets, but that would require organization and foresight, neither of which I have. Not my superpower, so we're going to go this way. All right, so we're going to put these cute little images right here. We're going to stick it right there so you can see it real cute. These are going to be attached to our, let's put this on there. And of course, Maisie thinks she needs to go in the house. All right, that's there. And then let's go ahead and add this to the card base with dimensionals. All right. Okay. And that can be added right here like this. Super cute. And you can see, like, you know, there's lots of different images that you could use. So you could make a bunch of these cards for Christmas and have it all good to go. All right, so now I want to add some of the presents. And again, these are super easy to cut out. Let's go ahead and just, here, we're just gonna take these. And these are just, you know, and then the other thing is too, is like these here in the corners, I know I'm gonna create a monster here. Like these, you can use on the edge, like watch this. Okay. Like you can tuck this in behind some of these other ones to maximize your presents. They don't all have to be huge. All right. And this one we're going to put right here on the front. So again, like this is one of the cards that's included in the PDF, and it is just stinking cute. I'm going to stick this one right here on the front. And then of course, I'm going to tuck a few of these in behind. I probably should have got that tucked in before I glued it down, but you know, some days. So what I would do is, you know, make sure that those are in that little area, okay? But I'm going to use just this one for today. I gotta get to the dentist. Ugh. And then of course I have a cute little ribbon that I have lost someplace here to tie on the front. But okay, before we go any further, let me show you one of the fun things that we have done in the past is do the, you know, it's like you have these fun, you know, string lights. Are you colored string lights or white string lights? Vintage or classic? That's probably the two different. So here, let me show you something. So last week we die cut the glimmer paper. Watch this. Just cutting these off. And then you can, and if you want to use a bunch of different color lights, go ahead and cut those and glue them to here. So what I'm going to do is just glue this to our glimmer paper. And again, get that glued on here. Super cute, hey? Just easy. She's so incessant. All right, adding that there. Get that glued on. So again, you know, our little glimmer paper looks like the string light is, you know, brown or black, whatever. And then the little bulbs are sparkly. So let's go ahead and add that. But I want to show you, before I, you know, go move on, I want to show you something else that you can do with them. Okay, so here's our little, come on. So here's our, I'm going to add that right here. Super cute, hey? Adorable. All right, but watch. Let me grab my little reindeer head here. Last week we used the little pieces to make our little reindeer, right? Okay. And I think when we did the card, we did our little reindeer like this. But what if you would take this and twist it so that your little reindeer has messy lights in his antlers, right? It doesn't, don't think you're stuck doing it all the way across. You can tangle the Christmas lights, because that's what lights usually do, and have another whole image right there. Okay. All right, let's move on. Lots of fun. Now, in the tutorial, it calls for embossing. Honestly, I couldn't find my Merry Christmas this morning. It's in one of my Christmas card buffet buckets. And so I'm going to pivot and use one of my paper pumpkins. And just stamp Merry Christmas in red on white. And again, don't forget, Thursday is my Christmas card buffet. So if you don't have your Christmas cards done and want to come and crank out a bunch, register for the card buffet, because it is going to be super fun. All right. And we're going to stick this right here. And again, like I said, the tutorial called for, you know, what real red paper and embossed with white, which is super cute. But I'm going to do Merry and then Christmas up here. Christmas. And you could do Merry Christmas like this. You could do Merry Christmas like this. You could do Merry and Christmas, which I think is what I'm going to do. Stay. So that is just one of the stinking cute little cards that is in that Card Stash DoorDash delivery. And I need registrations by the 20th. Kits will go out by the 30th, and you will be able to get it all good and all wonderful. So friends, that's what I've got. You enjoy the rest of the day. Don't forget to watch for the newsletter. Don't forget to register for Card Buffet coming up on Thursday, my Christmas card buffet, and actually check out the regular catalog for bundles that are on your list, because now would be a great time to get them. So thanks again, friends. Toodles. Have a great day. We'll chat again real quick on Thursday before Card Buffet. Toodles.